I gave you my heart.
Unlimited fam, something has really gotten me disappointed over the last few days. I keep seeing things about Kobe Bryant and they're negative things. I keep seeing memes and just bad responses, and I want to talk a little bit about this. Not necessarily about Kobe Bryant, because honestly, before his accident, I didn't know much about him, and if I was sitting next to him at a dinner, I really wouldn't understand that he's a famous basketball player. I'm not big into basketball. But I did know a lot about how inspiring he was before his death, and how good he was and how committed he was to his sport and his work ethic. And that's something that drew me to him as a person. Not the scandal about the rape charges and all of this stuff. Look, none of us is without fault. The end. I can find fault in every single person that I know. It's just unfortunate that we focus on that so much. I don't necessarily want to talk about Kobe Bryant. I want to talk about you, actually. I don't want to talk about Kobe Bryant and the fact that he's donated millions to charities and has helped thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of young people that were at risk. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to talk about the fact that he had a whole center built for at-risk youth to come and train and work out. He's done a lot of good things with the fortune, with the money that he's been able to earn because of his work ethic. But you choose to say nasty, negative things about someone that tragically died out of nowhere. And it makes me wonder, why? What's the point in having an opinion about someone so nasty, so negative after their death, after their tragic death, after they die with 6, 7 other people and their daughter? What's the point? Shifting gears just a little bit, I've gotten several memes this week that were supposed to be funny. Not about Kobe Bryant. Something that was supposed to be funny when you're locked down in a city that you grew up in. When you can't walk outside on the street without fear of catching something and dying. Something that is so hilarious that a whole country is literally shooken by one virus. Something so funny that if your aunt or your uncle or your grandmother or your own baby catches this virus, you're going to watch them fight for their lives. Yet, several of my friends have forwarded me memes this week that were supposed to be funny about over 130 people dying, about a whole country afraid, about a whole city on lockdown. Is there anything funny about 1,500 people catching a virus and fighting for their lives? I mean, would it be funny if it was your aunt, your uncle, your child? Would it be funny if it was your husband or your wife that died tragically flying to an event at a charitable sports center that you created? Is there anything funny about that? About losing your child? Look, the point of this video is to talk about how insensitive we've gotten, how technology has left us the ability to disassociate ourselves with people and just blurt out our stupid, stupid opinions, our stupid, pointless opinions. You don't get to have an opinion about every damn thing in life. That's not what freedom is. That's not what the internet is. You shouldn't have an opinion about everything. You don't need to have an opinion about everything. You don't need to voice your opinion about everything. And certainly an ill-informed opinion is just pathetic. Pathetic. Guys, you're better than this. I believe in humanity. I believe in people. I really do. I just think that we've lost the ability to understand ourselves, to understand what we're doing and thinking, and really empathize and really sympathize with people. We're losing this. We're losing the ability to do this because of the internet, because of social media, because it's so easy to bully, right? Or be bullied. It's so easy to have an opinion and just put it out there. It's just pathetic that we have to do this. You're better than this. Unlimited fam, you guys are better than this. I know you are. Hold yourself back from having opinions and blurting them out there. Think about the repercussions. Think about how you would feel if your wife or your husband just tragically passed away with your child, and everyone wants to have an opinion about something that he did or didn't do that was negative. Imagine you're in China and all of this is going on, and you don't know if you're going to catch this virus, contract this virus, and die. You don't know if your wife, your child, your aunt, your uncle, your grandmother, your grandfather, if they're going to contract it and die. Why is this funny? There's nothing amusing about it. Guys, there's nothing amusing about it. Tech. TCCH. Think about what you're doing before you do it, guys, please. Care about what you're doing and the impact that you have, the impact that your words have, the impact that your actions have. Have some compassion for people that you don't know, for people that you do know. Have some compassion and be a human being. TCCH. Think, care, have some compassion, and be a human being. My hearts go out to all the families that are locked down in China, all the families that have been affected in one way or another by the virus, as well as the millions of people that are mourning the loss of Kobe Bryant. One way or another, you were connected with him and the things that he has done. And I say sorry for your loss. Peace.